Okay, students, we are continuing our last question and the second part of our last question, Unit 4 in economics. In our last lecture, we have seen about the quantitative measures or quantitative tools of financial policy from the RBI. Now, part B, selective measures or qualitative tools of the RBI for any particular financial policy. Okay. So, which are the selective measures? First one, security requirement. Okay, security is must for RBI or for any other bank, especially against the lendings. Okay, and against the borrowers. Banks assure that the amount which is lended to borrowers is completely returned with the interest in a particular time. ओके, लोन अमाउंट या कैश क्रेडिट या ओवरड्राफ्ट की अमाउंट वापस तो आनी चाहिए ना इंटरेस्ट के साथ. ओके, देयरफॉर बैंक इज एश्योरिंग फॉर अ सिक्योरिटी ऑलमोस्ट सेम अमाउंट और अ पैरेलल अमाउंट ऑफ द लोन. जितनी लोन देगी उतने समय सिक्योरिटी लेगी. ओके, विच काइंड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी बैंक इज रिक्वायर्ड और बैंक answer to any person: deposit, land, building, his or her house, gold. Okay, any papers or document which is fully confidential. So this type of security are required for the RBI and for the commercial bank when he lending the money as a loan. Okay, now second type, margin requirement. What type of margin? Profit, not here is not profit margin, but about the loan settlement margin. For example, you have applied for the loan of 5 lakhs rupees. Okay, आपने 5 लाख की लोन के लिए अप्लाई किया है. Though the person give the all the securities एज अ गारंटी के तौर पर आपने सारी सिक्योरिटीज दे दी, मगर बैंक आपको बोले कि हम आपको 5 लाख की पूरी लोन अमाउंट सैंक्शन नहीं करेंगे. ओके, वी विल गिव अबाउट 4,50,000 और 4,70,000. मीन्स 80 to 70% लोन कैन बी सैंक्शन फॉर यू. दिस इज मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट. Okay, banks settle up different types of margin for the different types of people. For example, normal or poor farmers, fully settlement can be applied. And for the salarized person or a particular business person, okay, there is no availability of fully settlement. 70 or 80% is loan pass out होगी, because poor farmer is a needy person and he desperately needed the loan amount for his or her farming. Okay, this is called margin requirement or margin settlement. हम भी जब भी हम अपनी पर्सनल लोन के लिए या होम लोन के लिए, कार लोन के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं तो पूरी लोन पास आउट नहीं होती, सैंक्शन नहीं होती. 70%, 80%, मैक्सिमम 90% लोन सैंक्शन होती. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दिस इज हैपनिंग इन अ होम लोन. Okay, ceiling on credit. Third measures, ceiling on credit. RBI settle a different types of ceiling for the different types of credit also. Okay, वो ceiling का भी काम करते. If a person or a institute or a business unit cannot pay an installment in a regular base, RBI can seal his building, his फैक्ट्री, his हाउस. जो सील करने आते हैं ना बैंक वाले. ओके, आपने अगर टाइम पे इंस्टॉलमेंट नहीं भरे, जिसको हम लोन के हफ्ते बोलते हैं. ओके, नंबर 4, डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी इंटरेस्ट रेट. ओके, यानी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रेट इज सेटल्ड बाय एन RBI. वाई? सबको एक ही इंटरेस्ट रेट पे वो लोन नहीं देती. because borrower has a different condition in their life. Again, we are taking the same example. One is poor farmer and one is richest businessman or rich businessman person. Okay, so poor farmer is a needy person and he is not able to pay high rate of interest in the regular days, but the rich businessman can pay the high rate of interest on loan. That's why, for example, bank is given a loan to the poor farmer on the 6% or 7% interest rate, and same amount of loan bank is giving to the businessman person on the 11% or 12% of interest rate. This is called discriminatory interest rate, because bank is thinking that all the person can have or can get a money as a loan, सबको loan मिलनी चाहिए. Okay, that's why RBI is making a discriminatory or different types of interest rate for a different types of situation and for a different types of person. Okay, so these are the four main selective or qualitative measures for the credit control specially, and type A and type B, both types of measurement is a financial policy which we seen in our last lecture. Okay, so this is totally completed unit 4, banking and monetary policy. There are the main 3 points: commercial bank, function of a commercial bank; central bank means RBI, functions of RBI; and a financial policy and the tools or measurement of a financial policy. These are the main 3 questions. Okay, क्रेडिट क्रिएशन की शॉर्ट नोट भी आएगी, वो भी मैंने सिखाया आपको. व्हाट इज क्रेडिट क्रिएशन? ओके, CRR, what is CRR and what is SLR? Okay, the full form of CRR and SLR, it should be asked in 1 mark or in MCQ, and short note of CRR and SLR, it should be asked in 3 marks in section D or C. Okay, so this is the whole unit number 4, banking and monetary policy. In our next lecture we will start unit number 5, poverty. Now we can start actual Indian economical problems from the unit number 5. पहली इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम है पोवर्टी, उसके बाद यूनिट नंबर 6 में आएगी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेरोजगारी. यूनिट नंबर 7 में आएगा पॉपुलेशन, आबादी, जनगणना, जिसको बोलते हैं वस्ती. ओके, now actual Indian economical problem is started from the unit number 5, which we will see in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.